Hi, I'm Shelley, and as the garden is winding down, I come to the time where I believe the sweet potatoes need to be done. So, let me show you. Some critters been eating the leaves, and I thought, you know what, they're starting to turn yellow and it's time for them to be dug up. So I'll be doing that today. As you see, here's the healthy leaves of my sweet potatoes, but then all these things have been ate up. And I believe it is really just time to take these out. They're huge, and I'm going to get that done today. While I'm doing that, I'm going to walk over here and let you see some beauty. These are gorgeous right now. They're growing everywhere, up in the trees over here. Oh no, I just enjoy the morning glories. I'm going to start by yanking these vines out. If I can't get them yanked out, then I'm going to go ahead and clip them. So let's just see what happens. Accidentally broke one of these, but this one was on the surface. How neat. While I was yanking them out, I yanked out this one. Beautiful. If this is a example of these sweet potatoes, I'm going to be very pleased. Not bad. Got done digging my sweet potatoes. We did this on a 4x4 raised bed. I have some huge, come on up here, and some huge sweet potatoes. They're absolutely gorgeous. This one just huge.
That's some big old potatoes.
Yeah. Now look at this one. This one is still attached to another one. And when I started digging this one out, I didn't know what to think. I just kept digging and pulling him out, and here's a curly one. They're just all sizes and shapes. One thing about when you have sweet potatoes, they need to rest for about 2 weeks. That's when they get their sweetness. So we're going to store ours in our cabin for now in a couple crates, and hopefully I'll be eating them soon.
If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like and a share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell. See you next time.